Hi students, today we are going to discuss about CSS layout position property. There are 5 different position properties values in CSS layout: static positioning, relative positioning, fixed positioning, absolute positioning, and sticky positioning. We can deal with all these position properties. First one, static positioning. See, for static positioning property, we can use the keyword static inside style sheet. Then you need to set the position as static. Static is a class. Then under this static class, you can use the position as static. Then you can fix borders, 3 pixel solid hash. Then according to color, you can set according to your taste. Then we are here we are displaying one heading that displaying position static and a paragraph that illustrate about the definition of static. Then we can run it. See, it is by default it can set as static. If you are not using static position property, automatically it can treat as static. See, start from the left side, then all we set like this. So this is about static. Static is not positioned in any special way. It is always positioned according to the normal flow of the page. Then our next topic under position property, relative. For relative positioning, we use the property value relative. Then you can select the float left, right, as left, then border, then color according to your choice. Then here we have a class relative. Then relative position illustrated with 2 elements h1 and p. Here this position is class is called here. This div element has position relative. Run it. See, there is a space is there after first para. This div element has position relative. This content red marked rectangle illustrate position relative. Then our next property is fixed. By the name itself, its position is fixed using fixed value as position. Then here we have heading and a paragraph. Then this is the class accessing fixed style. Then this div element has position fixed. We are displaying this content. See, it is situated the bottom part, bottom right part of the web page. We can align this like this. So this is called fixed positioning. Our next topic is absolute positioning. In absolute positioning, we use the position value as relative. Then you can set width, height, border like that as mentioned before. Then absolute, for absolute, this is already we put relative. Now we are dealing with the absolute. For absolute, we use the position value absolute. Then top, right, width, height, all these properties are set here. Then we need to we need to call both relative and absolute to understand the difference between relative and absolute. So here we have a class absolute, then we defined under style tag here, all these thing defined here, then we can run it. Absolute positioning, see this one relative positioning property, then this one absolute positioning. So now you can understand a difference between relative and absolute positioning. Now the last property, sticky property. Sticky property, you can roll our web page according to your need. See here we set position as WebKit sticky, then position sticky, then this is for accessing web page, sorry, this is for scrolling web page. Then we can set background color, border, padding according to your taste. Then here we called class sticky. I am sticky will display position sticky. Then padding bottom, all these are div style padding, but all these are content under this sticky property. We can run it. See the difference. You can here you can roll it, but when you come somehow below I am sticky, this absolute positioning, you can only run this paragraph only. Sticky position from the set to its sticky position. Okay, this is about CSS positioning. We have 5 type of positioning: static positioning, relative positioning, fixed positioning, absolute positioning, and sticky positioning. For static positioning, we can use the property as static. For relative positioning, you can use the property as relative. For fixed positioning, you can use the position property as fixed. Then for absolute position, and sticky for sticky positioning. So this is about CSS position property. Thank you.